After a little bit of light rain on Friday, not a big deal. Looks like Saturday is going to be the best day of the weekend. Hi, buddy. I'm Meteorologist Mike Witcher. Thanks for checking in on your bedtime weather update right here with the East Tennessee weather platforms. If you don't have the app, download it today. Just go to your app store and search East TN Weather, all one word. It's everything you need for weather here in East Tennessee, and it's right there at your fingertips. It's going to be a great tool when you have out and about outdoor plans, which, by the way, Saturday, as I mentioned, is going to be the best day of the weekend. We start the morning off with temperatures in the 60s. It's going to be quiet. Now, I don't think we're going to have a whole lot of rainfall throughout the day on Saturday. Maybe a few pop-up showers and thunderstorms. The best locations will be across the mountains of East Tennessee, North Carolina. So it's going to be a good pool day, a good lake day, good day to get out and mow and do some outdoor activities since we've not been able to do a lot of that. And you got to do it now since summer is winding down. As I mentioned, not a ton of rain around the area. We'll see a few pockets of showers here or there. That should be about the extent of it. We'll stay in the upper 80s all the way through the weekend, back into the low 80s on Monday, thanks to a system moving its way on through. That's going to bring us elevated rain chances. So again, not a ton of activity around much of the region as we get into our Saturday, but watch as we get into Sunday. Here comes our wave of energy, and that's going to spark off those showers and thunderstorms throughout the Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening time frame associated with an upper level wave that's swinging its way through the area. And as that wave crosses the state, that's what's going to help to promote rising air and bring us the showers and thunderstorms. So rain chances ramp up Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, thanks to all the available moisture in the atmosphere, which is going to add up to even more rainfall around the Appalachian region. We've had quite the rainy pattern, and that trend is going to continue all the way through next week. Dew points are going to stay on the elevated side, and so as temperatures come up, that means heat index values come up as well. So we're going to start to trend a little bit warmer, average to maybe even slightly above average as we get into the middle and latter part of next week, which helps to boost those heat index values back into the 90s to maybe even the low 100s. And this trend may stick with us for the first 2 weeks of August. So we'll see how it all plays out. And like I said, you can check in with the East Tennessee Weather app every single day to get an update on the latest weather forecast from the East Tennessee Weather Center. It is a free download, by the way, and it travels wherever you go. One of the greatest tools with this app is the interactive radar, giving you current, past, and a future cast of 2 hours on the radar picture. Plus, it gives you lightning data. When lightning is within 15 miles of your location, it will send you a notification saying, hey, listen, there's storms approaching. Lightning is within 15 miles. So it kind of keeps you up to date when you're not really paying attention to the weather around you. Have a great night. We'll see you back here early Saturday morning.